All right, so we're just going to model some of the exercises we've worked on together. So go ahead and count aloud from 1 to 10, like you're projecting. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. Now let's shout, hey. Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Good.
Hey!
Feel free to point. Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Great. Now I want you to go down to your lowest pitch and hold out that note for as long as you possibly can.
Yeah. The lowest, okay.
Great. So sometimes we'll do that exercise if people are straining or pushing from their throat. This is just a good way to convince the throat to relax, and we know it's relaxing because we're able to get down to a lower pitch. That does not sound strained or glottal. All right, now go ahead. You're going to take in a big breath and hold out around your speaking pitch for as long as you possibly can. Great.
Want me to do it again?
Why not? Let's go again. Out the ah sound for as long as you can.